pleasure, breasts, orgasms. Oh my! So, welcome to this day where we are going to talk all about breast orgasms and lots of other juicy stuff. All women can experience pleasure. All women can experience breast orgasms. All women are orgasmic in nature. And all women are whole and complete. And really feel that in your body right now, that you're already whole and complete, that you're able to experience breast orgasms, that is a possibility for you, or maybe you already have. Every woman has a wise body. Our bodies are so wise. If your heart won't open, neither will your yoni. So the heart and the cervix are deeply, deeply connected. Even more than the cervix being connected to your heart, your entire yoni space is. So it makes sense that our disconnection with our breasts is parallel to the major disconnection that we have with our yonis. Again, it's no surprise that our society shoves down emotions and represses them and also is pre-orgasmic. Pre-orgasmic, the reason I use that term is because it doesn't mean you can't and that you never could. Those are really strong beliefs and statements to say. It is 100% more likely that you are pre-orgasmic rather than someone who never could or can't. I invite you to play with the entire experience being an orgasm. What if during breast massage, you just imagined that the entire experience is an orgasmic state? And again, it's really not about having a breast orgasm or not. It's really about contacting and feeling the orgasmic nature inside of you from moment to moment. So the techniques that are super powerful for waking up the neural pathways in your areola and nipples are divided again by the elements. And they're really similar to yesterday's techniques, but they are hyper focused on only the areola and nipple.